Welcome to the Kyoto Culinary Art College video. Today, we will be conducting a cooking practice using duck meat. We will also be frying tempura as part of our frying practice. Today, as we wrap up the second semester classes, the focus will be on performing all tasks individually. Additionally, students will also have the opportunity to try the anago conger sushi. Students should learn about the adjustments and cooking of ingredients related to the essence of the soup, as well as the preparations for meals, and the temperature control of the oil. Furthermore, I hope they pay attention to many things, such as the thickness of the tempura batter. Understanding the basics thoroughly before finishing the dish will be important for the future career of a chef. I hope students will challenge themselves without neglecting the fundamentals. This will be an essential factor when students enter society and work as chefs in the future. We, the instructors, will do our best to support them. Today, what left the biggest impression on me was the tempura. Tempura is difficult because it involves frying. I realized the importance of progressing with the cooking while paying attention to the timing and the viscosity of the sauce of tempura. I found it difficult to handle the sushi with Japanese anago, conger eel. If I miscalculated the pressure, the shape would collapse, but I managed to get through today's class after some trial and error. This school carefully teaches the knowledge and skills necessary for a chef from the ground up, so I believe it will definitely be a plus for my future career as a chef. I think I've been able to study quite a lot effectively. Based on what I've learned at school, I want to continue improving my skills every day even after entering society. In the future, I believe opening my own shop is also an option. I want to keep working hard until then. Compared to a year ago, I've become able to fry tempura and other dishes to a crisp that I couldn't do before. I really feel that way. I don't think at all about wanting to open my own shop or becoming independent. First, I want to ensure that I can handle the tasks in front of me and reach a level where I can be entrusted to manage a restaurant on my own. Right now, all I can think about is wanting to become a top chef. I believe there are quite a few professions that can move people emotionally. Among them, chefs are different. While cooking doesn't leave a physical form, I would be delighted if my students were to become chefs who move people deeply through their cooking. I want students to continue making dishes that leave a lasting impression on people's hearts. My hometown is not Kyoto, but the Tohoku region, and there are materials that cannot be used in my hometown. I am gaining experiences that can only be had in Kyoto, and it's a fun class. Compared to when we were first-year students, we now communicate well with each other as a team during the planning stages. By what time should we finish this process? I feel that being able to communicate that and organize things is a sign of growth. I will continue to do my best. The last practice actually failed, but today the tempura turned out well. I can feel that I've improved compared to before. It's a very happy thing. Thank you for watching the video from the Kyoto Culinary Art College. We welcome inquiries from international students at any time. Please check the description box for further details.